for Jupiter, stormy king. K is for Kuiper belt, icy ring. L is for lunar, moon's embrace. M is for meteor, fiery race. N is for Neptune, winds so high. O is for orbit, circling sky. Q is for Pluto, smart but bright. U is for quasar, cosmic light. R is for rocket, blast the night. We're lost in Phonics and a Z. Dance with stars and shout with me. Rockets roar and planets spin. Learn the sounds and let's begin. B. Install this at a Z. Dance with stars and shout with me. Rockets roar and planets spin. Learn the sounds and let's begin. J is for satellite, beep beep boop. Satellites. T is for telescope, galaxy scoop. Telescope. U is for Uranus, sideways spin. V is for Venus, thick clouds in. W is for white dwarf, fading glow. X is for X-ray star, energy flow. Y is for yellow sun, life below. Z is for zero G, float and go. Space, Phonics, A to Z. Dance with stars and shout with me. Rockets roar and planets spin. Learn the sounds and let's begin. Mission complete, cadets hurry. We learned our sounds, now moonwalk away. Mission complete, cadets